Hello everyone, so how's everyone doing? Let's see what's in the cards for today. Now that's a beautiful card, Queen of Wands. You look at the lady looking out, so she is prepared for her day today. Same way will you be today. You'll be prepared for your day today. You will know what has to be done, how it has to be done, and whatever comes today, be it good, be it bad, be it amazing, be it marvelous, you're going to take it up with pride and happiness, and you're going to be successful, and you're going to rock the day. Because I see this as a person rocking and being successful in everything that comes their way today, be it career, be it personal life, because today is your day and you are going to be successful. So let's see what the next card says. There's a lot of transformation. Now when you see the death card, you should not panic, because I don't see death as a negative card. I see the card as transformation. Can you see here? Victorious, a horse galloping. So a card of victorious. A lot of changes will come today. Maybe some changes will be taken by you. A decision taken by you for the betterment of yourself and those surrounding you. Even if there's something which is blocking your way, you will gallop away and you'll become successful. So what should be done? Now that's another beautiful card. Sacrifice. So whatever is there which is troubling you, surrender it to the universe. Can you see here? I would say surrender it to the Vignaharta's feet. Surrender it to Ganesha's feet today. And he is going to see to it that everything that is troubling you is going away from your life. So maybe today, if possible, in the morning, take a lamp, put ghee in that. Add one elaichi, one cardamom, and burn the lamp, and put some Ganesha's Aarti or Ganesha's mantra and start your day. And I'm sure he's going to remove all your blockages from your life. So as usual, let's end with this card. Yes, so I would not go more deep into this card. I would just say yes, the day is yours. Everything is going to go the way you planned, and you would be happy that you were having a successful and a beautiful day. Today, just one small thing. If possible, wear a yellow colored dress, and if not yellow, then carry a yellow colored kerchief. And also today, donate some sweets to some poor person whom you see, or feed a stray animal some bread, and you would feel a lot of change happening in your day. Thank you.